Want to sync music to video automatically on CapCut? Then you're on the right video. So the very first thing you want to do is move into your application CapCut. Make sure you are logged in into your account. Once logged in, choose the video that you would want to edit, or you can select it from projects as well. Once the video has been uploaded here, now you have to click on audio at the bottom. Click on sounds, or you can extract the music as well. Now select any of the sound that you want to sync with the video. Let me select this one. Click on this plus icon. Once the music has been uploaded here, adjust the music as per your need. After that, click on the sound and swipe all the way to the left. Click on beats. You will see auto generate right over here. Simply toggle on this button and then click on add beat. Once added, click on the stick icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once the beats has been added, the music or the sound will be synced automatically with the video. So that's the end of the video, and this is simply how you can sync the music to video on CapCut. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.